Good evening. My name is David Gordon Stanley, and I'm a spiritual coach. You can find me on LinkedIn. That's David G. Point Stanley on LinkedIn. And I discussed with my doctor the fact that I shouldn't wear a mask, and she agreed with me. And this was over the phone because you can't actually see a doctor. Yes, you have to just phone up. So she agreed with me, and so she said I could download an exemption form. Yes, which I couldn't find on the website she gave me, and so I actually went to the medical practice place, and they downloaded a exemption form for me, so I don't have to wear a mask. But if there was mandatory mask wearing, then I might have to comply. I've never worn a mask, yes, up to now. Now, I've watched people like Dr. What's his name, Buttar, and David Icke, and Andrew Kaufman, and different other speakers like the expert Robert O. Young, yes, he's spoken on the Age of Truth as well. And their advice is that you shouldn't wear a mask because it limits the oxygen you actually take into your body. And I do need my oxygen. And the other point is, why wear a mask? Well, what? I mean, you can't really hear what I'm saying if I'm wearing a mask. You can't really hear what I'm saying if I'm wearing a mask. Now, I have had the pleasure of demonstrating or being part of a protest here in Portsmouth of people on the COVID Truth Tour. They came to Portsmouth last week, and as we understand it, yes, from all of the sources we've looked at, yes, and we're talking about hundreds of doctors saying do not wear a mask, hundreds of doctors saying do not get a vaccination, and giving their reasons. I listen to these people. I search on YouTube and I listen to these people. And then I look at people like our glorious MP, Prime Minister Bojo, and I can see that he's lying in everything he does. And so I make that choice. I just wouldn't want to wear a mask if I can possibly not. If I'm forced into it, then I do understand that, you know, you got to submit. But on the other hand, we are taking action to stop this with another group that is called Earth United, which is connected to another organization which is called A Warrior Cause. And we do hope to put all this nonsense where it belongs, in the common law courts, and sort it all out. So if anyone wants the solution, yes, you simply go to, you type in A Warrior Calls in the URL, and you will get their website. And you will be able to explore all their videos, why you shouldn't wear a mask, yes, People have actually died from not wearing wearing a mask. So I've been told. I don't have the experience of this myself, otherwise I wouldn't be here. But I can see it's highly possible that people that do need oxygen don't need a mask. So with that, I shall say, don't wear a mask. Bye for now.